What's up, everybody? Happy 2024. Oh my goodness. This backlit. Let's just okay. What's up, everybody? Happy 2024. For me, it is still 2023. It is in fact New Year's Eve that I'm filming this. It's like New Year's Eve afternoon right now. And I wanted to make a video talking about maybe some goals that I have for this channel for this next year. Last year at this time, I honestly, Calvin. Last year at this time, I honestly didn't even think I was going to start this channel. So I didn't have any YouTube goals for last year. But I think I do this year. Maybe, we'll see. You know how goals go. Anyway, welcome to our basement. I am in fact filming this in our basement. We redid this a couple years ago. There was no railing there on those stairs when we moved into this house. Like, it was just like a ledge, and I guess you could just fall if you wanted. I don't know, but we put in a rail there, and it's much more safe now. Yeah, this is our basement. Maybe I can show you. Maybe. We don't really... Oh, that's the storage. We don't really come down here much. There's Calvin. Anyway, let's get back to... Yeah, that's good. We don't really come down here too much because there's no windows. We redid it, but we don't really come down here a lot. There's no windows, and Calvin like paces a lot when he's down here because he can't see outside. So we don't really spend a ton of time down here. But anyway, I have some stuff to show you all that pertain to this channel and my goals for it in 2024. So I'm winging this right now. I don't have like a script. This is real life. This is just me talking. And Calvin's probably going to be pacing because that's what he does. Anyway, so the first thing that I want to show you all, I believe this is the free version of this catalog. I think I showed this in like literally the second video I ever made on this channel. And this is the place that I get pretty much all of my seeds for my garden from. They have free shipping on all their orders, and usually I think if you spend over $10 they send you a free pack of seeds. Not of your choice, it's like random, but they send you a free pack of random seeds, which I think is pretty cool. So that's fun. And I believe this magazine right here, because it's really thin, I think this is the free version you can get if you go on their website, and sign up for getting it, maybe? I don't remember. I signed up for it a long time ago, and I think I get it every year. I don't really pay attention to this one because I have the big one. This is the whole seed catalog. We'll get into that in a second. I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm going to try not to. And I'm really sorry that Calvin is pacing. Anyway, so if you don't want to pay like $17 for the entire seed catalog, this is like every seed that they have at their store is in this book, plus some extra goodies which have to do with goals that I have for this year. But yeah, if you don't want to pay for the big one, I think you can sign up for this one, and it has just, I think some of their like more popular, some of their like more popular things. They have flowers, like vegetables, anything, pretty much anything you can want, they have it. And like I said, they always have free shipping, which is the best. I think it says right here, free shipping, maybe. Yeah, free shipping. Yeah, and it's a Missouri company, so I'll always support a company that's in my state. Yeah, so this is the free version. this is nothing to do with my goals, really. I mean, I'm just showing it all to you in case you all garden or want some cool seeds. So there's that one. Making sure it's on focus. Yeah, it is. But getting on to this one, I believe this one is like $16 or $17. And like I said, it has literally every single seed you can imagine. It is, let's see how many pages it actually, it is, please hold, 527 pages long. And it's the best to get in winter because it's cold and I can't plant anything here in the winter. Sorry. And so I like to look through this and write down a list of the new things that I want to try, which this year I'm going to try to hold back. But it is fun to look through in the winter when it's raining or snowing and cold and you can't do anything. So I will look through this all winter, but that's not the goals of this channel. So basically, if you get this, not when you get this, if you get this, it also comes with lots of different recipes that you can make with all the things in this catalog. So I have some goals that I want to try this year of like making recipes out of this magazine. So what I'm going to do sometime in the next couple weeks is I'm going to go through this and I'm going to write down different recipes for this channel and we're going to make them. Hopefully maybe I'll order some of the seeds, we'll grow it, and then we'll make them. Like for instance, this is a recipe for some kind of like fried cauliflower. I don't know if anyone can see that, but yeah, it's pretty fun. It's pretty interesting, and if you all want to check it out for yourselves, go for it. So yeah, rambling initiated still with this. If you all are interested, it's Baker Creek Seeds. Highly recommend it. They do usually come out with a pre-order for their whole seed catalog, I think in like July, which is I think when I ordered this. It may only be like $12. I can't remember. It's not much. But I got this I think in November. I do think they also sell it at Menards. If you have a Menards, and they might sell it at other like farm tractor supply stores, but I don't know if it's like that across the country, or just since this is in Missouri and I live in Missouri, which is why they sell it at different stores for us. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a list of different seeds I want to get, and we'll try some recipes out of this, and we'll make videos. So that sounds fun. So the other goal I might have, well, I guess there's like two goals, is one, this giant binder here. It's massive. So this was my grandma's Betty Crocker cookbook from like 1962, 63, something like that. See if I can, it's really big. Hang on. Ugh. It's a glare. It fell apart, and my grandma, in typical fashion, put it in this giant binder. So what I want to do is have different videos on different recipes from this giant binder of books. But not only are there like recipes from this book. I'm gonna show this for example. Like my grandma has written down actual recipes. I don't know how old these recipes are that she wrote down, But, yeah, like, there's so many recipes that she has written down that I want to try. And so that's definitely a goal for this channel, is to make a lot of recipes from this book, because they're old recipes and I probably have never had most of them. So that's another thing that we're going to do on this channel, is make recipes from this giant binder, which then leads me into, so I got these for Christmas. These are film cameras. It's the Pentax K1000. And I also got this Bronica SQA, I believe. S2A. That's what it is. It's the S2A. So this is a medium format film camera. And then the other one is the 35 millimeter. And then my dad also gave me his parents' old Minolta, which I have not really looked at yet. I don't know how it works yet, but I'll figure it out. I would like to incorporate some like film camera pictures into my videos. I have some ideas on how I want to do it. I'm not sure when it's going to happen, or if I'm going to have to create a separate channel for this. I'm not sure, but we're gonna do something with film and cooking together. I've got some ideas in here. I don't know when. Hopefully it happens in 2024. If not, we'll make it a new goal for the next year. So yeah, like I said, I've got some goals with these. Yeah, I have a lot of random goals, but I think it will be some pretty good content if you guys want to stick around. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you want to see my random recipes from the 1960s or before that, I have no idea. If you want to see my recipes from my seed catalog, consider subscribing. If you want to see all of it. Anyway, I need to go carry all this stuff back upstairs. I know I rambled a lot. I'm really good at that. I'm surprised it hasn't driven everyone away. Anyways, yeah. So, welcome to 2024. Let's have a good one. Bye.